In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Freshsales with Stripe. This integration is useful if you want to sync customer information, automate payment-related workflows, and help your sales team stay informed whenever payments are completed. The setup is straightforward, and once it's connected properly, it can make your sales and payment processes much smoother. To begin, log into your Freshsales account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to access settings and install integrations. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the Settings area. From Settings, click on Apps and Integrations. This is where Freshsales lets you connect with outside tools and services. Inside that section, choose Marketplace Apps so you can browse the available integrations. Once the Marketplace Apps page opens, use the search bar and type in Stripe. This will help you quickly find the app without scrolling through the full list. When the Stripe result appears, click on the Stripe integration to open its details page. Next, click Install. This starts the setup process inside Freshsales and takes you to the connection screen. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your Stripe API. This API key is what allows Freshsales to securely communicate with your Stripe account. Be careful when entering it, and make sure you use the correct key from your Stripe account settings. Since this is sensitive information, it should always be handled securely. After you enter the Stripe API, the Freshsales CRM credentials will be filled in automatically. This saves time and reduces the chance of mistakes during setup. In other words, Freshsales recognizes the account you're currently signed into and uses that information to complete the CRM side of the connection. Once everything looks correct, click Verify. This step checks whether the details you entered are valid and whether Freshsales can successfully connect to Stripe. If verification is successful, you're ready for the final part of the setup. Now click Install once again to complete the integration. From here, you'll be redirected to Stripe. Log into your Stripe account if needed, then click Authorize. This gives Freshsales permission to access Stripe and allows both platforms to work together. After you approve the connection, you'll be sent back to Freshsales, where you can continue configuring any settings related to the integration. And that's it. You've now connected Freshsales with Stripe, creating a more efficient way to manage customer and payment data in one workflow. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.